Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 6,
chapter 6,
17 to
17 to
chapter 7,
chapter 7,
7. But he
But he
who is joined to the Lord
who is joined to the Lord
becomes one spirit with him.
becomes one spirit with him.
Flee from sexual immorality.
Free from sexual immorality.
Every other sin
Every other sin
a person commits is outside the body,
a person commits is outside the body.
but the sexual immoral person
But the sexual immoral person
sins against his own body.
sins against his own body.
Do you not know that
Or do you not know that
your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit
your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit
within you,
within you,
whom you have from God?
whom you have from God?
You are not your own,
You are not your own,
for you were bought
for you were bought
with a price.
with a price.
So glorify God in your body.
So glorify God in your body.
1 Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 7.
chapter 7.
Now concerning the matters
Now concerning the matters
about which you wrote,
about which you wrote,
it is good for a man
it is good for a man
not to have sexual relations
not to have sexual
with a woman,
with a woman,
but because of the temptation
but because of the temptation
to sexual immorality,
to sexual immorality,
each man
should
have his own wife,
have his own wife,
and each woman
and each woman
her
has
own husband.
a one husband.
The husband should give
The husband should give
to his wife
to his wife
her conjugal rights,
her conjugal rights,
and likewise the wife to her husband.
and likewise the
Wife to her husband. For the wife
For the wife
does not have authority
does not have authority
over her own body,
over her own body,
but the husband does.
but the husband does.
Likewise,
Likewise,
the husband does not have authority
the husband does not have authority
over his own body,
over his own body,
but the wife does.
but the wife does.
Do not deprive
Do not deprive
one another,
one another,
except
except
perhaps
perhaps
by agreement
by agreement
for a limited time,
for a limited time,
that you may devote yourselves
that you may devote yourselves
to prayer,
to pray.
but then come together again,
Then come together again,
so that Satan may not tempt
so that Satan may not tempt
you
you
because of your lack of self-control.
because of your lack of self-control.
Now, as a concession,
Now, as a concession,
not a command,
not a command,
I say this.
I say this.
I wish that
I wish that
all were as
all were as
I myself
I myself
am,
am,
but each has
but each has
his own gift from God,
his own gift from God,
one of one kind
one of one kind
and one of another.
and one of another.